Okay. So till now, what we learned, that is the what is meant by Java, and what are the things which are present inside the Java. What is JDK? What is the feature of the Java we learned till now. Right. Now what we will do, we will see, and we saw the program also, how to create a program, how to create a hello world on the console. All these things we saw that, right? Before that we installed the JDK, and after that we have installed the Eclipse also. Eclipse is the IDE, means the integrated development environment. Means if you want to write any programs, we want something else, so on which we can type our program or we can write our program. So for that we are using simply Eclipse. You can use the IntelliJ also, IntelliJ or any other IDEs also, but here we are using only the, we are using the Eclipse. Okay, it's on your choice only. You either you are using the Eclipse or you are using the another ID also, that is on totally on your wish. Okay, so we saw the hello world program also, how to print a hello world program on the console. We saw that. So what we will do, simply we will try to create that program once again, and after that we will go ahead. Okay, so simply here, what I am doing is, we will do this thing is, we want to create any class. How we will create that? Simply we have to go on the hierarchy. This is the Eclipse. Okay, this is the Eclipse. If I reset this one for new purpose, I have to see. Okay, my screen is visible for everyone, no? My screen is visible. You can type also if you want, don't want to talk, you can type also, no worries. Okay, so here is the console. Okay, if you want that console, how we will get that? Simply you can go into the Windows, show view, and here is the console. Okay, from here you can get it the console. So this is our Eclipse. This like our Eclipse will look like. Here our all projects and all will be there. Here is our console will be look like. If you want to print anything on the console, you can here you can, here our output will be visible, and here our all the classes and all will be present here. Okay, so I will remove all these things from here. Right. Okay, now we have to create a program. So how we will create that? Simply click on file, then we have to create a new, and simply we have to create a project. First we want to create a project, and first letter of the project must be a capital. So simply I'm creating a project here. So I'm writing here November. Anything, any, if you want any name to the projects, you can give. Okay, after I am giving here November, so that is on my wish only. Okay, if you want to give any name, you can give also, and first letter must be a capital while you are creating the project. Simply click on next, and simply you can click on the finish. Project is created. After this project, what we will do, simply inside the ASRC we will create a package. So why we are creating? Just to manage our class. Okay, to manage in the systematic manner, we are simply create our package here. We can directly create a class also here, but simply we will create a package here. So what package we will create? So simply I am writing here basic programs. You can give any name to this one also, no worries, but first letter must be a small here. While creating a package, first letter must be a small, after that capital. Okay, then finish. Okay, and after that here inside this package we will create a class. Okay, if you want to create a class, new, and the create a class. Simply if you want to create, right click, new, and here you have to create a class. Okay, and after that here what we need to do, any name you can give to the class name. Okay, but first letter must be a capital. Okay, so I am writing here test, and I am clicking finish. So our class will be create. Again, class will be open also here. Okay, so I already told you, like from here our class will be start, until here our class will be end. Okay, so from here this is our entry gate of our class, and this is our exit gate of our class. Entry gate and the exit gate. From here our class will be start, until here our class will be end. Okay, if you want to write anything into the class, you have to write into the open curly braces and the curly braces, close curly braces, start and the close. Okay, now suppose if I want to execute anything, so who will execute that? That is the JVM. It is completely depend on the JVM what we need to execute. Okay, so JVM knows only the main method. Like if you want to go into the hometown, so what it will do, you will go directly into your home, because you knows your home, right? So here also JVM knows only the main method. So what we will do, simply create a main method. So what is syntax of the main method? Public static void main, and here we have to write string, and here arguments we have to write like that. This is the syntax of our main method. Access modifier, static keyword, then void is the return type, then this is the name of our method, and after that these are the things which are present. These are the string, there is data type, and this is the argument, this is the name of our array, and this one is the array. Okay, after that inside this one, if you want to print anything, system we can simply we can print with the help of system.out.println. And if you want to print anything, we have to write into the double quote. Simply hello if I write, and if I run this one, so hello will be print on the cursor. You can either run from here, or you can run on right click, then run as, and then Java application. From here also you can be run. So hello will be print on the console. Now what is these things? That is what is meant, what is this class, what is this public, what is this static, what is this void. Okay, so we have to know these things. No, so these are the all are the keywords. This public, class, void, the static, these are all are the keywords here. If I show you the list, so this is the this is all are the keywords here. Simple. Where is the these are all are the keywords which are present inside the Java. There is the abstract, continue, for, new, switch. If you see void here, void is also here. Static is also here. Then class, if you want to see, class is also here. Character, catch, these all are the keywords. So what is the use of these keywords and what will it means? So simply we will come into the PowerPoint again, and what is it means? So if you see by the definition, Java keywords are also known as the resource word. These are the simple words which have some work. Okay, these are the simple words which have some work. Okay, okay, which have some work. Okay, so simply Veda Prakash, can you mute yourself? Veda Prakash. Okay, okay. So what is meant by keywords? So Java keywords are known as the reserved words. Means these are the special type of words which have some specific task. Okay, so what is meant by if you want to see by the real-time example, so simply will come to the paint. Suppose if you went to the bank, suppose this is our bank. Inside the bank there are many sections, right? So suppose this one is the one section. Okay, and here we have another section, and here we have a entry gate. Suppose this one is our entry gate. So suppose here is the security guard. On the entry there will be the security guard. No, so suppose inside the gate we have one security guard. Here security guard, guard. If I mix the spelling, please ignore my spelling. Okay, so this is the security guard here. After that here is the suppose manager, and here is the suppose cashier is there. Okay, here is the cashier. Suppose you went to the bank, so this like will be counter will be there. Okay, this like a cashier is there, manager is here, and security guard is here on the gate. So what did we do? So security guard will be do the security related work. Manager will manage all the works inside the banks, and cashier will handle the cash related work. Okay, suppose if I tell you to the security guard, if I tell you to the security guard to do the manager work. Okay, and I will tell manager to do the security guard. So can they will be do or not? They will do. Can security guard will do the manager's work? Can security guard will do the manager work? Yes or no? You can speak. No, no worries. Or you can type on the chat also. No worries. No one will do anything. Simple I ask. No. Suppose if we went to the bank, okay, there is the security guard and there is the manager also. If I tell security guard to do the manager's work, so can it will be do? No, right? It will be not do. No, he don't know how to manage the bank and all. And if I tell to cashier like do the security guard, so what he will be do? No, right? They have the specific task. Cashier will do the cash related work only. Manager will do the manager related work. Okay, and the security guard will do the only security related work. They will not exchange their work because they know they are specialized into the that work only. Okay, they have assigned this that task, so they will be do only the that work only. They will not do the any work. Suppose if you tell to manager like do the cashier work, so he will be not do. If you tell cashier to do the manager work, so he will be not do. And if you tell security guard to do the manager work, so he will be also not do. Manager will do the manager's work, cashier will do the cash related work, and security guard will do the security related work. The same like that we have a keywords here. So we have a many keyword as a class, finally, long, okay, switch, new. They have some specific task and they do only the specific task only. Same like if we just saw the created the program now, here we have a class keyword. Okay, here we have a class keyword. So class keyword, by what is the use of class keyword? Class keyword is used to create a class. Okay, class keyword is used to create a class. If I tell class to create a method, so can it will be create? No, right? Because what is the work of the class keyword? Class keyword is used to create only class. If I use like a access modifier, it will be not be used. Suppose if I tell class keyword to create a object, so can it be do? No, right? Because there is the another keyword which have assigned the object creation task. But what is the task for the class keyword? To create a class. So he will be do only the class creation. He will not do the another work. He will not create an object. He will not create a variable and all. Okay, so what it class keyword will do? Class keyword only create a class. Okay, so that is the keyword are the special type of word and they have the sub specific task. Okay, script keywords are particular words that act as a key to code. Suppose we have to create a class. So without keyword can we create? Which keyword we have to use? Class keyword. Suppose if I remove this one, so what it will do? It will be remove. It will be give you the error. So what is the keyword? Keyword are the key to the code. Okay, keywords are the particular words that act as a key to the code. After that, these are predefined words by Java, so they cannot be used as a variable or object name or class name. This point we will see later, but what is it means? These are these predefined words. These are all are the predefined words which is created by the Java people. Okay, we didn't create no this words we didn't create it. Who created? That is the Java people, and they have assigned the specific task to the each keyword. Like if you take the example like a class have some specific task, that is the class have work to create a class only, so he will be create only the class. Okay, and keyword name we cannot use as the variable name or the object name or the class name. So while creating any variable or the object name, that time we will see can we use the variable name as a object name or the variable name. Okay, so now we will see here. Simple will come here. This is our class name, right? This is a class keyword and this is our class name. Suppose I can write here. This is the keyword also. See, if you take any keyword from here, suppose if I take any keyword, that is the switch I'm taking here. Okay, and I will write here switch here. So can we able to write here? No, because we cannot able to write keyword as a class name also. Right? We will see after that what is the object name and what is the variable name also. But we cannot use keyword name as a object name because that is the point they are saying here. So these are the predefined source by Java, so that they cannot be used as a variable name, object name or the class name also. Okay, after that these are all the keywords. Abstract, continue, for, new. If you want to use anything, you can just use this simply. Okay, suppose if you want to use the class, you can use the class. If you want to deal with the exception handling, you can use the finally. Suppose if you want to create a variable, int is there. If you want to try using the exception handling, return to return, if you want to return anything, you can use public is the access modifier and the keyword also, or we are using in the loops. A new keyword is used to create an object and class keyword is used to create a class. This like that we have a many keywords. Okay, we will use inside the upcoming lectures. Okay, after that methods. Okay, these are all about the keywords. Anyone have any doubt inside the keywords? What is meant by keywords and all? So anyone have any doubt inside the keywords? Keyword is nothing but the simple word they have some specific tasks like this example we saw. No, there is the cashier, manager, and the security guard. Cashier will relate only the cash related work. Manager will relate only the manager related work, and security guard will relate, do the security related work. Same like that, all the keywords which are present inside the Java, they have some specific task, and they will do only that task only. That is only known as the keywords. Okay. So anyone have any doubt till here? If you have any doubt, no, please tell me. I will tell you again. No worries. Anyone any doubt? Anyone have any doubt? Okay, okay, okay. Now we will move to the another part. We'll try to create a method today. Okay, how to write a method, how to create a method, we will see today. So simply we will come into the method declaration. So how we will declare a method. So what is meant by method first? So the method declaration provides information about the methods attributes such as the visibility. And what is meant by the methods? See, if you see the definition of the method, so what is meant by methods? A method is a way to perform some task. If you want to perform a task, we can perform with the help of methods. After that, a method is a block of code or a collection of statement or set of code grouped together to perform certain tasks or the operations. Suppose if you create a method, that time you will easily understand what is meant by methods and all. So simply, if you see the syntax, see this is the syntax of our method. So how to create that? First we have to write the access modifier, then we have to write the return type, then we have to write the method name, and then we have to write the parenthesis, open parenthesis with these round braces. See, here the round braces there. You can write that one. After that, inside that, if you want to write any parameter, you can write that. You will see this all the things now. Okay. So simply, if you want to create the method, simply we have to come here and we can write here inside the class, inside the method, another method you can don't able to write, and don't write also. Okay, now so here if you want to write, how we can write? Simply we have to write here access modifiers. This time I'm writing public. We have four access modifier: public, private, protected, and the default. Okay, four access modifier we have, so you can use any one of these here. Okay, so I will tell you after that what is the use of public, when we use the private, when we use the protected. But for now, just remember that public, private, protected, and default, these are the four access modifier. So first I am writing here public. After that, public is the access modifier. Simply another one is the, that is the return type we have to write. So simply come here and we will try to write here the return type. Any return type you can write. You can try to write here data types and all also, or you can write here the void. Void means nothing. Void means nothing. Just remember this thing. Void means nothing, not the empty also. We don't want to return anything. It's a simple thing is the void. Okay. After that, what we need to write? Method name. Any method name you can write. Suppose I am writing here m1. So you can write m1 also, or if you want to write, if you want to give any name by your choice, so you can give. After that, simply you have to write parenthesis open, parenthesis close, and same here. That is the curly braces open and curly braces close here. Okay, curly brace open, curly brace close. From here our method will start, and here our method will be end. Okay, if you want to write anything here, simply we have to write system.out, and here it will write hello. This thing I am writing inside the method. Why I am writing inside the curly brace open, curly brace close? You cannot write like that. Okay, don't do like that, like that. Okay, this is the outside the method, we cannot able to write. Just write like that. Okay, simple. Inside that, what I'm writing system.out.println, and simply I'm printing hello. Now if I run this one, so what will be the output we will get? Anyone have any idea? Hello, and I'm writing hello one also here. Okay, so what will be the output if I run this program? So what will be the output we will get? Any cases? We will see. If it is wrong also, no worries. If you are giving wrong answer also, no worries. That is fine also. Fine only. Hello, hello. So hello one we will not get on the console. Only hello we will get. Hello. Okay, hello. Uh, hello. If I run this one, see, we can run from here. So what we are getting? That is the simple hello. But hello one we are not getting. Why we are not getting this method? Okay. So how to call this method? How to call this method? when this method will be executed. Remember one thing, the method will be executed when we will call the method with the help of object. When we call the method, that time only our method will be executed, otherwise it will be not executed. And remember one thing, JVM start the execution from the main method, not from the class. It will be not execute like that. Okay, it will be execute like that. Whatever things we have inside the main method, it will be executed. Otherwise, many people thinks like that. It will be inside the Java. It will be execute the program like that. It will be not execute like that. It will be execute the program from the main method. It will come to the main method, and whatever things which are present inside the main method, it will be executed. Okay, so here this things is not present, this thing is not printing, that is the m1 method we have created now, so we have to print that. So how we will print that? So if you want to execute the method, so we have to call that. And another thing is that how to call a method. So with the help of object we can call the method. Then another thing also there, so how to create an object? To create an object, simply we have to if you want to create an object, so what how to create an object? So simply we have to write here class name. Okay, after that here we have to write object name, then we have to write the equals to, then we have to write the new, and here we have to write class name, then parenthesis open close, and then here semicolon. This like we can create an object, and which is the object here? This one is the object. Okay, and which keyword is used to create an object? That is the new keyword. New keyword is used to create an object. Okay, I will comment this one, means this will be ignored by the JVM. Okay, now we will try to create an object. So what is the syntax? First we need to write a class name here. So which is the class name? See here, that is the test, right? So simply I will create a here test. After that object name, any name we can write. So simply we will write here obj. After that what we need to write? Here assignment operator equals to I am writing. Then we have to write the new keyword. So I will write here new keyword. Then again we have to write the class name. So which is the class name here? That is the test, right? This one is the class name. So simply we will write here test. Then parenthesis open close, and then we have to write simply the semicolon. Okay, now object is created. Which is the object here? This is the object here. Now how to call this method? Simply we have to come down obj dot, we have method name. So which is the method name here? There is the m1 parenthesis open close and the semicolon. This like we can call our method. If I run this one now, see what will be the output we will get. There is hello, and the hello one also we are getting. So how we are getting? So first if I run this one, so where JVM will come? JVM will come to the main method, right? After that what it will do? It will see we are printing something on the console. So what we are printing here? There is the hello. So hello it will be printed on the console first. After that what we are doing? Simply we are writing here, we are creating a object here. So how we will create an object? We have to write here class name, object name equals to new keyword, then class name, and parenthesis open and close we have to write, and then after that semicolon simply we have to write, right? After that we have created the object here. There is the obj, and with the help of obj we are calling the m1 method. So we have created the object. So which class object is this? See upside, that is the test class object, right? So it will be see, JVM will see m1 method inside the test class. Okay, it will see m1 method inside the test class. So it will become into a test class. This is the test class. Test class is starting from here, right? So it will become into the test class, and it will be see where is the m1 method. So here is the m1 method. So it will become inside the m1 method, and what we are doing here is system.out.println, and simply we are printing hello one on the console. Means we are printing hello one on the, here we want to print hello one on the console. So it will print hello one on the console. Here is the close curly braces, so it will become down here, right? It will become exit is here, so it will go outside from the method. Here it will become, here is the semicolon, and after that here is the semicolon close. It will become exit from here also. It will become exit from the class. Okay, so this like our program will work. If I run this again, so it will be run. Now suppose we have another method here. It's a public void m2. Same like that you can create a method. There's the access modifier, return type, and then method. Okay, and suppose I want to print here system.out here, and here I'm writing hello 2. Now if I want to call this method, or before that, if I run this one, so what will be the output we will get? What will be the output we will get? Simple. What will be the output we will get if I run this one now? What will be the output we will get if I run this one now? We have got two methods this time. Same as before. Hello, hello one. Okay. Did I sing? Okay, where the Prakash is saying hello, hello one. Okay. Okay, hello, hello one. If I run this one, so hello and hello one is printing on the console. Now if I want to call this one, so how to call that? If I want to call this m2 method, so how to call that, and when it will be executed? So when it will be executed, when we call the method, that time only our method will be executed, right? And how to call the method? With the help of object we have to call, right? With the help of object we have to call the method. So can we have to create object every time? So no, if you create an object, so you can use that object multiple times. If I want to call the m2 method now, so how will call that? Simply you have to write object dot m2 this time and save this one and run this one again. So it will be print all things on the console. That is the hello, hello, and hello two. So how it is working? So if I run this one from here, so JVM will come to the main method. From here our main method will start. So it will be see something we are printing on the console. So hello will print on the console first. Done. After that it will come down and here it will be see we are creating the object, and which is the keyword, which is the keyword is responsible for creating an object? That is the new keyword. New keyword is used to create an object, and class keyword is used to create an class, right? Simple keywords. After that here we have created the object, that is the obj. With the help of obj we are calling the m1 method. So which class object this that is the obj test class object. So it will be C m1 method inside the test class. Where it is? Here it is, right? So from here it will be start system.out.println. So hello one will be print on the console first. So hello one is printing on the console. From here it will be come out. Here it will become, here is the semicolon object.em2. Here it will be go into the em2. Which class object is this? See here, it is the test class object. So it will be cm2 method inside the test class. So it will be cm2 method. Here is the m2 method. It will be cm2 test class. And here it will be start the method system.out.println and hello2. We want to print hello2 on the console. So it will become here and hello2 will print on the console. And from here it will become out, and again here is the semicolon. Here from here it will come outside of the main method, and from here it will come outside of the class. So this is the methods, and how will this is how we are creating the methods, and this like how we will call the methods with the help of object. Suppose if you want to create a method, how we will create that? Suppose if you want to call the method, how we will call that? This we learn today. Okay, and what we learn today also, that is the data types also. So what is meant by data types? So data types are the special type of words and they have some specific tasks. If we talk about the class keyword here, class keyword is the special type of word which have some tasks, which is the work of this class keyword to create a class. Suppose if we talk about a new keyword here, so what is the work of new keyword? To create an object. If you want to create an object, simply we will use the new keyword. Okay, if we say this new keyword to do the to create a class, can it will be create? No, right? It will be give you the error. Can we will see the class to create an object? So can it will be create? No, because new keyword have the word to create a class. So with the help of class keyword, we cannot able to create an object. With the help of new keyword, we can create an object, and with the help of class keyword, we can create a class. Same like that, we have many keywords. Like a public is a keyword, void is a keyword. Okay, static is a keyword. Many keywords we have inside our Java that we will see inside the upcoming session. Okay, so anyone have any doubt till here? Anyone have any doubt? Anyone have any doubt till here? No? Okay. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. And if you have, if you, is it possible to create a multiple object? Yes, you can create a multiple objects also. Okay, and today's assignment is that what you have to do is you have to create a multiple method. Try to create a multiple methods, and with the help of same object, you can try to call. Here, no, we have created same method and with the same object, and with the help of that object, I am calling the two methods. You can try to call 3 methods, 4 methods. After that you can create another object also, and another with the help of another object again try to call the methods, and you have to create that program. You have to screenshot them, okay, and you have to submit on the group, simple. Okay, so this is the today's assignment, and everyone it is compulsory for everyone to submit the assignments every day on the group. Okay, the today's assignment is that you have to just simply create a method, create an object, and simply paste it on the group. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. If you have, can you please ping the assignment in the WhatsApp group? Yes, I will ping in the WhatsApp group also. Okay, so if you have any issues and all, you can ping it into group also, or you can ping me. Okay, and that's it for today, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel also, ITV. In that we are regularly posting the videos, that is the whatever we are learned now, so that I will post it on the ITV. So uh, don't forget to subscribe the ITV also. Okay, and that's it for today, guys. We will see tomorrow. Bye. Thank you for your time, guys.